I was born to roam the highways on my home. Well, I'm sitting here right now, but blink your eyes and baby, I'll be gone. I ain't sticking around, cause I'm a rambling kind. Like an outbound train, I'm always rolling on down the line. Cause I know there's something over the hill. If I don't see it, Lord, it might kill me. You know I've got to travel every highway in this land. Cause I'm a traveling man, playing in a hillbilly band. Well, you know it ain't easy, but we're doing the best we can. Hell, I was made to go, and I just can't stay. I like to have my fun and pack up and be on my way. But miles behind me, sucking down black coffee, and I'll ride that old white line till it starts to fade away. Cause I know there's something around the bend. If I didn't see it, though, that being said, you know, I gotta travel every highway in this land. Cause I'm a traveling man, playing in a hillbilly band. Well, you know it ain't easy, but we're doing the best we can. Yeah, we're out here raising hell across this land in an old Chevy van. Woo! Ain't it the truth?
Thank you.
Thank y'all, thank y'all. We got love me. Oh, snap.
All right, we're gonna do this Bo Diddley song.
Bo Diddley.
Some people say